case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2017 decision that clarified the scope of the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act, the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit ruled against Michael Thomas, former IT operations manager for ClickMotive. A closer inspection of the case offers a stark reminder that intentional damage to a computer system without explicit authorization can have desperate legal consequences. Thomas found himself on the receiving end of a lawsuit following disruptive alterations he knowingly made to the company's computer system. Backups were disabled, virtual machines deleted, and wiki modifications made, escalating to a staggering total of $130,000 in cleanup and maintenance costs. Defending his actions, Thomas insisted that such measures fell within his routine IT responsibilities. The court, however, was unsympathetic to Thomas's reasoning. These actions, they argued, were far from normal troubleshooting procedures. Despite the lack of a specific company policy against his disruptions, the court pointed to his employment agreement, which indicated that Thomas was bound by necessary precautions to safeguard ClickMotive's interests. Thomas appealed the decision, but the Court of Appeals upheld the district court's judgment. His actions were deemed unauthorized, constituting a direct violation of the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act. Moreover, Thomas's assertion that the damage statute of the act was unconstitutionally vague was shot down by the court, as they concluded its language was clear enough to reprehensibly encompass Thomas's conduct. This landmark ruling reaffirms the necessity of explicit authorization for potentially damaging IT actions, offering a stern warning for those straddling the line of legal computer admin practices.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.